Welcome to another session of our video. So now we are going to learn how to work with menus, the product categories. So I'll go to appearance for menus, click on menus. Okay, looking like there's all products menu here, but let's create our own menu. Okay, there's one selected here. Okay. So let's say create a new menu. Let's create a new menu. So I'll call it main menu. And this is small letter. Box. Main menu. Okay. Let's see. I'll tell the menu location. We have different locations on the site. We have top menu, we have main. So I'll set it to main. Main menu. And I'll say create menu. Okay, good. Now let's add our menu to the menu we've created, like our product categories to the menu we've created. If you look at this place, by default you will see product categories, and you cannot see here because here categories will show the block part of it. So what do we do if we can't see that here? We just scroll up here, go to screen options, and check for product categories. Is it product? Just check it. When you check it, it will appear here, product category. So let's see the categories we have there. Wow, so that are the product categories. So go to view all. I'll select all, but I'll check on categorize because I don't want uncategorized there. Then I'll click on add to menu. Okay, so see all our categories here. That's okay. Now let's click on save menus. Now let's go to our store. Let's see where our main menu is. Let's see where it is going to add it to. Wow, so we have female wears, furniture, glasses, male wears, all of them here. This place, wow, it's nice. It's nice. So we have this. That's our main menu. So top menu might be around here or close. Let's make it show on the top menu too. But in this place now, I want to add another item to the menu. Yeah, it's always important. So that one we call it the custom link. I will click on custom link. So I want to add a menu that when they click on it, it always bring them back to home page. Refresh the page, so no matter where they go, it brings them back to right home. So you just go to your store, copy this link here. So it's online link or your local host, just copy like that. Come back here, paste it there, and click on add to menu. Good. Then what I'll do is I'll move this upward here. I have home like that. Then I click on save menu. Right, come here and I refresh. So we have home. Okay. So let's say I click on products like this. I click on a product like this. If I just click on home, it takes me back to the home page. And that's the importance of that. Okay. Let's see which menu is supposed to be in this place. Let's see. So I'll go back to my menus here. Let's tell it how to catalog, and let's save menu. Let's refresh. Okay, good. Now we've added those menus to catalog here. Though if I want to do this, I want add that home to this catalog here. Actually only the product there. So we'll likely have to create another menu. That's how I'll come back here. I will check this catalog And in this place I remove some of the products here, so our own menu is not occupied, so I will remove this. And you can even have drop downs too. So let's say under mailwares, I can take these shots to mailwares and just move it in like this, become a sub menu to mailwares there. I can remove this mixed from here. Remove, we have furniture, okay, glasses, watch, sports, shoes, okay, popular item. Okay, I can bring these shoes on that spot, or let me just look like that. So let's save. So what we'll do now is we'll create another menu for that catalog section. Let's see how this looks first. Sorry. Catalog is not showing there because if you check this from catalog section. Now we have this. See now how the drop down looks like now. When I move the shot on that move, yes, we have this. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our dashboard. We'll go to create new menu. So I'll call it catalog menu. Oh, catalog menu. Okay, we'll now click here that I should be added to the catalog menu. Click on create menu. Okay, so again we'll go to product categories, say view all, select all, uncheck on categorize the one that there, and add to menu. So now in this catalog menu, we won't have home there because we don't need it there. Just have this menu here. So you can have multiple menu depending on the number of menu that the team allows. This allows up to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 like that. Okay, so you can let's arrange them however you want it. I can say, okay, I want mail, yes. I want phones next, so you can just move in them. When you want it, let's take shots after mail and female, yes. Okay, let's bring phone down here. Shots after this one. You can arrange it however you want it. And then click on save menu. Then come here, you refresh. Now we have this. So now we have our menus here. We have our main menu here. So you can try it out, create another menu, click add it to top menu because this is main menu here. This catalog, add the top menu and see where it shows. You can send the screenshots to us in the community group or in the comment section. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much and see you in the next session of the quotes.